Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification button. And today I'm about to head out to the gym, and I wanted to just make something really quick, and I decided to use some of the ingredients I have home, and I have some beets. I actually have a lot of beets here. So the ingredients that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use some beets, and I'm going to use some frozen berries. I'm going to use some green powder, but you could definitely use beet greens for this recipe. And I'm also going to use some cacao. But if you have like some chocolate protein or something, you could definitely use that. And I am using some banana. And I will be sure as always to leave the recipe in the description. And I always recommend using coconut water, but I am using water. Okay, so I am going to place the berries in. I'm going to place the beets in. I'm going to place the bananas in. And you can also add some chia seeds. I actually have some ingredients for another smoothie I'm going to make. And so I'm going to take some of these chia seeds. It actually has a little bit of maca powder in it, but that's okay. Maca powder is really good for pre and post workout recovery. And I'm going to take some of my lovely water. I'm going to put that in. We're going to blend this up. Okay, Divines? Okay, so I poured the lovely red beet smoothie, and again we threw in some chia seeds as well, and we have some beets, and we have some cacao, or if you want to use your chocolate protein or something. We have coconut water, but I use water. You see my red fingers. And we used berries. We used frozen berries, and you know, you can definitely add a lot of different things to this. I used green powder. You can add beet greens if you want to. It's up to you. The possibilities are endless. I will put the tips in the description. Divines. Bananas. How can we forget bananas? Bananas. Oh my goodness. So let's try it. It's definitely really good. So it's just like a very yummy beet smoothie. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this workout, okay? Because I have to work it out. And as always, I am so grateful to embark on January with my Divines and sharing a lot more content as always. And I will see you in a few days, Divines. Peace, Divines. And remember to check out my other smoothie videos. Peace, Divines.